welcome back to another episode of Gold's Garage. We're still working on the 1930 Model A quarter panel. Our last video we left off showing you how we were going to mark out the difference between a roadster quarter and a coupe quarter, how we were cutting it, and then how we were going to set it, grind it, and place it. We've already did that in our other videos. Just to highlight, we did mark this bead line with a 1-inch piece of tape, so as I started bringing this new panel up to it, I could take that belt line and still mark a 1-inch piece of tape and have a little bit extra to grind. If you're worried about getting too close, you can go ahead and use a smaller piece of tape on that belt line and then slowly grind away to your marks. The other thing you're able to do, if someone's able to hold it from behind, you can mark it. And then you can take it down and cut it. And you're going to be pretty accurate there. Then we relief cut this, just because we were missing some edge on the door. We'll bend that over and shape it, make that fit. We also had a problem with our body line and the door line meeting. The car was patched up so much in the past that the car was sagging. We had to put a brace on the inside of the door and lift it up, line up the body line. Where we're at, we're still going to keep doing some grinding, some fitting. We'll show you when we start tacking it up, so stay tuned. Alright, I wanted to show you what I was talking about for marking the quarter panel from the inside when we were aligning the quarter for the new one. I had Ethan push in on the quarter panel while I marked the back side of it. So that gave me a lot better indicator of what I'm cutting out in the way, less likely to make any mistakes. We're going to go ahead and get this cut out. We'll be back with you in a minute. Just finished up tacking up the quarter panel. In the last video we showed you how we marked it out from behind with a marker. We went ahead, time-lapsed that and cut it out, save a little time for viewing. We've now just tacked it in place. Everything seems to fit good. The body lines are lining up really well. We're going to just go ahead and take our time, go slow with welding it up so we don't get heat distortion. Along the way we might have to hammer and dolly it a little bit. We may show you a little bit of work with the hammer and dolly and why we do it. For now, we're pretty pleased with how it is. We'll start welding it up and getting a little bit further, show you some pictures along the way.